Good morning, students. Next topic is mole concept. In this part, one definition is given. Define mole. Define mole. For that, you have to write this paragraph. Define mole. Mole is the amount of substance. Mole is the amount of substance that contains as many elementary entities as there are atoms in 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope. Mole is the amount of substance that contains as many elementary entities as there are atoms in exactly 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope. If you are counting number of atoms present in 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope, means if we are assuming x number of atoms present in 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope, means that x gram is called as mole. Mole is the amount of substance which is similar to atoms present in exactly 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope, that is called as mole. Usually 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 number of atoms, 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23 number of atoms present in 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope. So, 1 mole means amount of substance that contains this number of atom, that is called as mole. 1 mole is the amount of substance that contains many elementary entities. Entities means here it may be atoms, that number of atoms, or that number of molecules or other particles. As many elementary entities as there are atoms in exactly 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope. So, totally how many atoms are present exactly in 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 number of the atoms present exactly in 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope, that is called as 1 mole. The actual number of atoms in 12 grams of carbon 12 is determined experimentally. That number is called as what? Avogadro number. So, this number is called as Avogadro number, Na, Avogadro number, named after an Italian scientist, Amedeo Avogadro, who proposed its significance. Its value is, already I told, 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23. This number of atom only present in 12 grams of carbon 12 isotope. So, that number is called as 1 mole. So, 1 mole of a substance contains 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23 entities. 1 mole contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 means 5 moles of oxygen molecules contains 5 times 5 into 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23 molecules. This is called as mole. So, if they are asking define mole, means you have to write these lines only, these 5 lines only. So, next topic is mole concept. Study of the collection of particles by using mole as the counting unit. Mole concept means what? We will use mole as a unit to express the numbers, concentration. So, study of the collection of particles by using mole as the counting unit in order to express the mass and volume of such unit particles in a bulk of matter is known as mole concept. So, for indicating the mass and volume, that is concentration, for indicating the concentration of bulk of matter, if we are using mole as a unit, means that is called as mole concept. So what do you mean by mole concept? If you are using mole as a unit to express the concentration of bulk of matter, means that is called as mole concept. The number of moles of a substance can be calculated by various means depending on the data as available. 4 points are given: number of moles of molecule, number of moles of atoms, number of moles of gas, number of moles of ions. Number of moles of a substance can be calculated by various means depending on the data. So number of moles of a substance can be calculated, and that depends on these 4 points, and it depends on these 4 points. Note STP. What do you mean by STP? Standard temperature and pressure. At these conditions only these points are applicable. Standard means what? Constant. Standard temperature and pressure means constant temperature and pressure. That means temperature and pressures are remain unchanged. Which temperature is constant? 273.15 Kelvin. That temperature is taken as a constant temperature, and 1 atmospheric pressure is taken as a constant pressure. Mole of atoms. 1 mole of an element contains 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23, and it is equal to gram atomic mass. 1 mole of an element contains 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23. Already we know 1 mole means it contains 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23 number of entities. That is equal to its gram atomic mass. That is 1 mole of oxygen contains 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23. 1 mole of oxygen contains 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23 atoms of oxygen, and its gram atomic mass is 16. See these points, students. 1 mole of oxygen atom is equal to, already you know 1 mole means it contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So that only given here. 1 mole of oxygen atom is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 oxygen atoms, which is equal to gram atomic mass, that is the atomic mass of oxygen is 16 gram. So it equal to dash gram. In that dash you have to write atom means you have to write atomic mass, molecules means you have to write molecular mass. Here they are speaking about oxygen atom, so this is equal to its atomic mass, that is oxygen atomic mass. The mass of oxygen is, mass number of oxygen is 16, so this is equal to 16 gram. So if you are taking 16 gram means it contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 oxygen atoms. We cannot count this number of atoms, so indirectly we can take 16 gram. So if you are taking 16 grams of oxygen atom means it contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 oxygen atom, which is equal to 1 mole of oxygen atom. So 1 mole of oxygen atom is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 oxygen atom, that is equal to 16 gram. That only given here. That only given here. 1 mole of oxygen contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms of oxygen, and its gram atomic mass is 16 gram. And mole of molecules, 1 mole of matter contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. It is equal to gram molecular mass. Already I explained, if 1 mole of oxygen atom means it contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 oxygen atom. 1 mole of oxygen molecules means it contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 oxygen molecules, is equal to dash gram. In that dash, if atom is used means you have to put atomic mass here. If molecules are used means you have to put molecular mass here. So which is equal to molecular mass, gram molecular mass, gram atomic mass, like that gram molecular mass. That point only given here. 1 mole of matter contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules, that is equal to gram molecular mass. 1 mole of oxygen contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 oxygen molecule and its gram molecular mass is 32 gram. See this point, student. 1 mole of oxygen molecule is equal to same number only, 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 oxygen molecule, that is equal to dash gram. In the dash you have to put atom means atomic mass, you have to write molecules means you have to write molecular mass. The molecular mass of oxygen is 32 because O2 molecule means oxygen molecules means O2, it contains 2 oxygen atom. Each oxygen the mass is 16 gram. If you don't know this value mean you can refer the periodic table. In periodic table right hand side top oxygen is given which is atomic number 8 and mass number 16. So for oxygen mass number is 16. So 2 oxygen means 2 into 16, that is 32. So the molecular mass of oxygen is 32 gram. Next definition is molar volume. 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liter or 22,400 ml. Already you know 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So 10 liter is equal to 10 into 1000. 10,000. So 10 liter is equal to 10,000. 20 liter is equal to 20 into 1000, 20,000, like that. 22.4 liter means we can say in ml unit 22,400 ml. How will you get this value? If liter value is multiplied by 1000 means, that is 22.4 liter into 1000 means you will get 22,400 ml. So 1 mole of gas occupies 22.4 liter or 22,400 ml at STP. This volume is called as molar volume. Some formulas are given. Calculations of number of moles by different modes. Number of moles is equal to mass by atomic mass. Another formula, number of moles is equal to mass by molecular mass. And we can determine the number of moles is equal to number of atoms divided by 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23. Number of moles is equal to number of molecules divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. These formulas are used in your problems questions. So in problem question these formulas are used and some conversions are also given here. Mole concept. See here this is mole, this is volume of gas, and this is particles, representative particle, that is number of particle, this is mass. All are interrelated. We can convert one to another. If mole is given means we can convert, we can calculate the number of particles present in it. If number of particles is given means we can calculate how many moles. If mole is given means we can calculate from that we can calculate the mass. If mass is given means we can convert, that is equal to how many number of moles. If mole is given means we can convert volume of gas. If volume is given means we can convert, we can calculate how many moles present in it. So this is interrelated concept. This will also use in our problem questions, problem based questions. Thank you. So 1 minute, please see these formulas again. 4 formulas are given here. 4 formulas are given here, that only given here. So number of moles is equal to same type formula only. Number of moles is equal to mass by atomic mass, number of moles is equal to mass by molecular mass. If atom is used means you have to take atomic mass. If molecules is given means you have to take molecular mass. Both are same formula only. Number of moles is equal to mass by atomic mass or molecular mass. For atom you should take atomic mass, for molecules you should take molecular mass. Next formula, the same here also we are going to find out the number of moles only, same formula only, divided by 6.023 in 10 to the power of 23 only. For atoms you have to take number of atoms, for molecules you have to take number of molecules. All other remaining are same only. Remaining next class. Thank you.